Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you connect to VPN on Ubuntu or Deepin Linux. So in order to connect VPN to Ubuntu, you could follow these steps. First thing, you'll need to find the VPN settings page. So open up the settings and click on the network tab. There is where you'll find the VPN page. To start setting up your VPN, you'll need to click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, you'll get a pop-up window with options such as OpenVPN, double import files. So then the most commonly used options are OpenVPN, just import from a file. Now in most cases, VPN provider have a file you could download and then import using third options. Check your VPN provider dashboard, check your emails, or just contact them asking for a file you could use. You'll also need to note your username and a password. You'll find them in the same area where you'll find the VPN file. Once you import the file, you'll need to also add the name and a password. Add the authentication details, and once done, click on the green add button. Now you could start using the VPN. Now the VPN is set up, you could start using it. Turn it on. Either use the VPN settings page and click on the green toggle, or use the system menu to turn the VPN off the same way you turn it on, either from a VPN settings page or from the system menu itself. Then you could go ahead and configure the VPN. If you want to configure the VPN you've already added, you could go ahead and click on the gear icon right in the corner, and then you could find more details about the page. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.